What an amazing job Final Aim did helping Yamaha explore the possibilities of its EV platform. Not only did the team partner with each other, Final Aim and Yamaha also partnered with AI, exploring how the talent of their designers might be accelerated. And because of Fusion's AI-powered capabilities, Yasuhide and team were able to bring more of their time and their talent to their project. Creative studios value people like Yasuhide for their design skills. They don't value them for their ability to create documentation. Dimensioning assemblies like this is largely procedural. And by using AI, we have further enhanced our ability to automate this process, slashing the amount of time all of you spend on it. Another time-consuming and error-prone task we can automate using AI is the creation of geometric constraints for sketches. In Fusion, all design work starts with a sketch. And for each of these sketches, the user needs to specify dimensions and relationships between various elements. The choices made cascade through the life of the part and through the life of any assemblies it gets placed in. Do this right, and your model is set up for changes further down the line. Do it wrong, and you get all kinds of downstream issues. It's one of the most common errors in 3D modeling and one of the most frustrating. Nobody likes going back to that initial sketch, which is why Fusion is using AI to automate the creation of constraints and make sure they are always correct. So your work moves forwards rather than backwards. I also believe that there is a bigger opportunity to augment you as a designer. When you are in the conceptual design phase, you want to ideate quickly and freely. And this is where we think there's a huge opportunity. This is Project Bernini. You prompt the Bernini AI using natural language, imagery, and sketches. And from this, it will synthesize real geometry, helping you rapidly generate concepts. So what you're seeing right now is a proof of concept. It's not commercially available, but it shows the considerable progress we've been making with foundation models. And as you can see, we're prototyping how this one day might work with Fusion, exploring how to make it possible to move from concept quickly into our manufacturing industry cloud, where you'd be able to start to understand how your design performs, how it gets manufactured, and what material choices would reduce its impact. Being able to do more analysis in the conceptual design phase is important because 80% of sustainability decisions are made during conceptual design. Not only can you ideate quickly, but you can do manufacturing analysis quickly, stress analysis quickly. I believe this has the potential to be paradigm shifting. This is what augmenting you as a designer truly looks like. Helping you ideate quickly and helping you move rapidly into the next phase of design. There is so much we can do to make you more productive with AI. But as well as accelerating your digital transformation, we want to help catalyze the reinvention of your business models and how you create value at the intersection of the industries you serve.
That's a pretty good visual for the vision of the AECO industry, right? I like it. Data taking us all further and faster than ever before to a bright, resilient, sustainable future. To help you make that future a reality, we start by improving your day-to-day experience with our core products. In a few minutes, Sasha Crowdy, who leads the product charge around AEC data at Autodesk, will share more about our new investments and product announcements. we continue to make our core products better and better because they are the heart of your productivity and creativity today. And they will also power the connected workflows of tomorrow. Making your data from our existing products available to the former industry cloud will create a rich data model that powers an AI-driven approach centered on project outcomes. So you can optimize decisions about sustainability, cost, construction time, and even asset performance at the forefront of the project. This is the process that we are calling outcome-based BIM. Many of you have accumulated years of data in Revit and Civil 3D with embedded intelligence from your experience and past projects. Stored in docs, this wealth of data encapsulates patterns that you have modeled into your BIM projects. In this research project, we train an AI model using samples of buildings designed with panelized wood systems. And we leverage knowledge graphs to build a data set of patterns of relationship between compatible building components, which we then use to develop an autocomplete system that predicts new component configurations based on what it learned from past projects. The system suggests multiple options to complete your model, driven by outcomes such as construction costs, fabrication time, and carbon footprint, ensuring that when the system proposes the best options, the results are not only constructible, but also align with your sustainability, time, and cost targets. If you saw Andrew's keynote yesterday, what you just saw is like our project Bernini for AECO. Right now, like Bernini, this is deep research. It demonstrates how important outcome-based BIM is becoming to the future of AECO workflows, and the gigantic progress we made since last year with such a greater level of details of AI-generated components. It shows how data is the catalyst for how we address the problems of demand, a changing workforce, and an untapped potential. When data is connected, it can be used to harness AI, automate tasks, and gain insights to improve efficiency and productivity. So, how do you connect your data even if you don't have a robot? You need to start with Autodesk Docs. Digital twins from Autodesk Tandem are created from data in Docs, and customers are connecting IoT sensors from their buildings into Tandem to visualize operational data. Features like heat maps and charts help building operators visualize data as conditions change over time. With Tandem Connect, it's simple to bring all your building management systems together to empower owners and operators with actionable insights. It will help them improve efficiency, reduce utility costs, and achieve net zero performance. Earlier this year, we acquired Point Fuse, and we are integrating its capabilities into Recap Pro. With these solutions, you will be able to capture real-world data, maybe with Dasher, and connect it to Revit via Docs in a scan-to-BIM workflows using machine learning to automatically extract features from the point clouds. And Autodesk Workshop XR, the collaborative design review software that connects Docs, is immersively connecting data and workflows. With Workshop XR, teams can review 3D models and associated data from Autodesk Construction Cloud via Docs, together in a real-time VR workspace. We are excited to announce that Workshop XR is generally available to all users today. Yeah! So now you need to put on your MetaQuest headsets and experience the power of immersive collaboration. We cannot talk about connected data without talking about the AEC data model and how customers are using API to leverage data for better outcomes. Data models are powerful pieces of technology that establish a common data language between different software. In time, the AEC data model will be able to organize and provide access to all types of industry data from the Autodesk portfolio and also third parties. This data will be made available in docs and can be used by API, enabling anyone to work in new ways, even not technical users that need to access the project data.